Good morning and welcome to Turkey. So we are now already on day 5. I think we got here on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. Are you ready to go have breakfast? Yeah.
Come on.
This little guy's still waking up bright and early at 7 o'clock. So we're going to go find some breakfast together. And I thought, oh, I'll walk up there, I'll give you a tour. So I'm currently right now sat on my sunbed. That is our room right there. And if you turn around, you've got the pool right there and the mountains in the background. The place is gorgeous. So I'll take you on a little tour up to the restaurant where I talk about what we've been doing, what it's like here. You can have a look around and then I'll try and show you some food while we're there. Oh. Okay, are we ready? Okay. Come on then. Which way are we going? We're going this way. Let's go. So this has been the most incredible holiday. Right now it is about 26 degrees. So about the lowest it gets to, it goes up to like 35 during the day. The staff here are absolutely amazing. Like when we got here.
Daddy,
Yeah?
I think I'm not hungry.
You think you're not hungry? Just me eating then. When we got here, the staff came out and got the...
Dad,
Yeah?
can I take Penguin for food?
Can you take Penguin?
For food?
Yeah. They came out and got our suitcase in from the taxi when we got here. They walked us all the way from there to reception, did the check-in bit. It was just us checking. It was nice and quick and easy. Then again, rolled the suitcases for us to our room. This is the adults only pool, which obviously I've not been in because we've got a little one, but they seem to enjoy that one. What's that sweeping brush doing there? I don't know. Come on, let's keep going.
I want to get that.
There's like a little shortcut. There's a couple of toilets up here. Head up to the main area.
I think I'm doing it by myself.
You are doing the stairs by yourself. Well done.
Yeah. Come on, Dad. Can you hold my penguin? No, it's okay. I can hold him.
So this is like, there's another block there. Our block's over there. You can see there's another swimming pool down there that you can use. Obviously we're not in that one because our room's on the other one, and there are signs up saying not only use these hotel pools if you're in these hotel rooms, which is nice because it is nice and private. Which way are we going, dude? Which way are we going? We're going that way? Up there? That way? There we go. And this is coming up on the right. You've got a little shop and like a hair salon effectively. On the left there's the animation team play area. You're right, it's not. And then you've got the main pool. You've got the bar. Noah, can we walk down this way first? I want to go all the way around and then to breakfast. Pardon? One sec, stop there, dude. Do you not want to walk all the way around? Oh, okay. Can't catch you, you're the gingerbread man. Oh, give it a little rub. There you go. Good, good. So there's some like kind of bungalows on the right here. There's some more really nice smart bungalows down there, like the premium rooms. This is like the kind of cafe area. So the bar is open 12 till 5 and basically does takeaway food, burgers, cheeseburgers, pizzas. Spaghetti Bolognese is also a bar down there that you can get drinks from like 10 till midnight or something. And all the animation team does all the dancing and singing and whatever, kids bingo stuff here.
Hi, Mum. See ya! My body, what my hand is on Bill.
Well, exactly. Not here yet, dude. Not here yet. Come on. We go find breakfast. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Pardon?
What's she doing?
Probably the same as us. What are you doing?
I'm just walking with my finger.
You're walking with your penguin. Is it nice? Morning. Has Penguin got a name or is it just called Penguin?
No. Can you hold him?
Can I hold on to Penguin?
No, it's okay. I can't catch him. I'm doing bad man.
Wow, you're so quick. Hey Noah, should we go have a look over this bit for a second? We've not seen down here, have we? We've not looked over this bit yet. Oh, found that. Come on then. Let's keep going. Good boy. It looks like I'm the gingerbread man now.
What?
Looks like I'm the gingerbread now.
No, I'm listening. Again.
You're the gingerbread man.
Come on.
You want to come up? Okay. What's that?
Where's the football net?
There isn't a football net here, I don't think.
Were you playing last night?
Yeah. Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Where's Mummy?
Mummy's not here. Mummy's still in her room, isn't she?
Yeah.
Chilling out in bed for a bit.
What? Is it return time soon?
Yeah, it's about 3 hours, okay? So we're gonna eat some breakfast. I might do a little bit of swimming. We'll do some chilling out. And then we'll be done. Okay.
Can you not do something? Look.
There's a floaty in the little pool.